How to create MoneyGram account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded MoneyGram app on your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store and download this app. Then launch it. You'll land to this kind of interface. Click on the option Sign Up. Now you have to provide these details to create your account. First up, type in the email address, then generate password for your account. Then click on this drop down and select your country. Then type in your phone number. If you want to receive notification from the MoneyGram app, you can toggle on for these options and you can click on Next. If you want to activate your Face ID, click on the option of Activate Face ID. Now you have to provide these details again to create your account. Type in the first name, middle name, last name. Then select the country of birth. Type in your date of birth, address, city, state, zip code. Once you provide all the details, you can click on Next. Identity verification. Select any of the ID type to verify your identity. Driver license, state ID, passport or US residence permit. Select the option of your choice, then enable your camera access. Go ahead and take the pictures of your document. Once you complete this process, your account will be created. So this way you can easily sign up for MoneyGram account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.